What's up guys, welcome to my channel Taadi Stringzz. So today I want to show you a simple and very easy Ghanaian praise bass line or bass groove. Okay, so grab your bass guitar. Okay, so the key is G sharp, so this is our key. Okay, G sharp or A flat, the same. Okay, so that's our key. Okay, G sharp. Good. And the progression for this particular song, okay, it begins with 4 3 6 2 5 then 1. Okay, so simple. Fa, mi, la, re, so, do. Okay, it's simple. So that's just the progression. 4 3 6 2 5 1. So it goes like this. Okay, okay, so fa mi la re so do. So the mi you can play it here or here. Okay, yeah, good. So let's move straight to the breakdown. Okay, let me move straight to the breakdown. So just pay attention. Okay, so this is what I did. Very simple, just follow. Okay, follow. Again. Okay, so I'm gonna break it very slowly. Okay, very slowly. Okay, so it goes like this. 1 2 okay, fa do fa re mi so la mi re so re do. Again, watch. Fa do fa re mi so la mi re so re do fa re mi so la mi re so re do. You see, simple as that. Okay, so 4 1 4 2 3 5 6 3 2 2 Okay, so that's just it. Okay, just so that's just it. So again, one notice, one notice, so that's it. Okay, that's it. So what I did here, that it was just a particular shape. Okay, just follow the just a particular shape that I use. Okay, yeah, so like this. You use the same shape, you see, la mi 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 re re, so re 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 do do, la mi 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 re re, so re 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 do do. Okay, 6 3 3 3 2 2, 5 2 2 2 1 1, 6 3 3 3 2 2, 5 2 2 2 1 1. That's it. Okay, so thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Okay, goodbye and have a wonderful day, wonderful week. Shalom.